G'day, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander Aspire, stock reference number 5701. The shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 7th month 2021. It has a 4N14 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 4N14 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left power door mirror. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Aftermarket tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right power door mirror. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.